Software as a Service (SaaS) market size was valued at $237.51 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $908.24 billion by 2030, growing at a CAGR of 18.7% during the forecast period from 2024 to 2030. What is Software as a Service? Software as a Service (SaaS) allows users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the Internet. Common examples are email, calendaring, and office tools. SaaS provides a complete software solution that you purchase on a pay-as-you-go basis from a cloud service provider. Cloud service provider definition. A CSP, cloud service provider, is a third-party company that provides scalable computing resources that businesses can access on demand over a network, including cloud-based compute, storage, platform, and application services. What is an SaaS example? SaaS uses the Internet to deliver subscription software services, which are managed by a third-party vendor. What does SaaS mean in a job description? Software as a Service. Many companies are expanding their technology departments to include software as a service or SaaS. SaaS operations help companies manage, improve and develop internal and external software applications. If you're interested in information technology, you may benefit from learning more about SaaS operations. What is an example of SaaS in daily life? Some popular SaaS examples include 1. Cloud-based CRM, customer relationship management. Systems serve as a hub for organizing and making sense of valuable audience data and insights, providing all the tools needed to collect and manage information about people who are important to your business. Collaboration and communication tool. Collaboration technologies foster better teamwork and open communication within organizations. These tools create a seamless environment for team members to collaborate, share ideas, and provide feedback. They promote transparency, trust, and a sense of inclusion by breaking down communication barriers. ONPASSIVE'S video conferencing platform OConnect has that as one of its features. 3. Cloud storage and file sharing service. What is cloud file sharing? Cloud file sharing is a service that provides simultaneous access for multiple users to a common set of files stored in the cloud. Security for online file storage is managed with user and group permissions so that administrators can control access to the shared file data. ONPASSIVE'S video conferencing platform OConnect has that as one of its features. Video conferencing and online meeting platforms. What do you mean by video conference? Video conferencing is a live video-based meeting between two or more people in different locations using video-enabled devices. Video conferencing allows multiple people to meet and collaborate face-to-face long distance by transmitting audio, video, text, and presentations in real time through the Internet. ONPASSIVE'S video conferencing platform OConnect. 5. E-commerce platforms. An e-commerce platform is the content management system, CMS, and commerce engine websites used to manage cataloged products, register purchases, and manage a user's relationship with an online retailer. It doesn't matter if your business is large or small, B2B or B2C, selling tangible goods or providing remote services. ONPASSIVE has an e-commerce platform coming soon. 6. No-code app development. No-code is an approach to designing and using applications that don't require any coding or knowledge of programming languages. This type of software is part of the self-service movement that empowers business users to create, manipulate, and employ data-driven applications to do their work better. What are the SaaS applications? Software as a Service, or SaaS for short, is a cloud-based method of providing software to users. SaaS users subscribe to an application rather than purchasing it once and installing it. Users can log into and use a SaaS application from any compatible device over the Internet. Which software is SaaS? Software as a Service, SaaS, allows users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the Internet. Common examples are email, calendaring, and office tools. SaaS provides a complete software solution that you purchase on a pay-as-you-go basis from a cloud service provider. ONPASSIVE'S SaaS software forms the basis of its operation, protected on the ONPASSIVE ecosystem. ONPASSIVE'S first paid subscription product was OConnect, paid by early bird affiliates and imminently to the world. There are other digital products by subscription in the queue. An e-learning platform with orders from countries waiting for its release, an HR platform revolutionary and disruptive technology, a tracking analytical device called O-Tracker, 3 free gifts that other companies charge as subscriptions, being upgraded to I&ML quality and ONPASSIVE still not charging for them. Here is the point. ONPASSIVE's SaaS digital products are above market value at below market prices. The SaaS listed above and below relates also to ONPASSIVE. Software as a service. SaaS is a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on a subscription basis and is centrally hosted. SaaS is also known as on-demand software, web-based software, or web-hosted software. SaaS is a business model specific to cloud computing, along with infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. SaaS apps are typically accessed by users of a web browser, a thin client. SaaS became a common delivery model for many business applications, including office software, messaging software, payroll processing software, DBMS, database management system, software, management software, CAD, computer-aided design, software, development software, gamification, virtualization, accounting, collaboration, customer relationship management. What is SaaS customer support? SaaS, software as a service. Customer support refers to the systems and practices technology companies use to best serve their customers. This support extends from pre-purchase to post-sale, focusing on completely resolving consumer issues while also driving home the value and functionality of the SaaS product, CRM, Management Information Systems, MIS. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, Invoicing, Field Service Management, Human Resource Management, HRM, Talent Acquisition, Learning Management Systems, Content Management, CM, Geographic Information Systems, GIS, and Service Desk Management. What does it cost to build a SaaS app? The cost of developing a minimum viable product for a software-as-a-service startup should typically range from $60,000 to $150,000. ONPASSIVE is the high-end $150,000 minimum. Look at what ONPASSIVE offers its customers all under one roof. Go to onpassive.com and register and see for yourself.